Hello everyone, this is a lesson on just putting the short answer response rubric in your interactive notebook. So I've gathered my short answer response. This is the sheet that you received. You'll have to cut it out so that it fits in your notebook. And it's going to go on page 10. So in your interactive notebook, which I have mine right here, you are going to open it up and make sure that you write down short answer response rubric on page 10. And I've put in parentheses for common lit and race for our race strategy paragraphs. So I will turn to page 10. Here's our race strategy, which we'll do on Monday. And here is the short answer response rubric, which I have put in my notebook already on page 10. I turned it sideways so that I can do it this way and read it as I do my paragraphs. So make sure that you get that in there. And that is it for this recording. I hope you guys have had a great day.